In this question, two statements are given, and based on these two statements, you have to identify the correct answer. Statement 1. The coagulum is formed of a network of threads called thrombins. It is incorrect. The network of threads that forms the coagulum, that is the clot, is made up of fibrin, not thrombins. Thrombin is an enzyme that helps convert fibrinogen into fibrin, which forms the mesh that traps blood cells and leads to clot formation. Statement 2. Spleen is the graveyard of erythrocytes. It is correct. The spleen is often referred to as the graveyard of erythrocytes because it is where the old and damaged red blood cells, that is, erythrocytes, are broken down. Hence, the correct answer is option C. Options A, B, and D are incorrect as these options include incorrect combinations.